Tax season is approaching quickly, and with the new 2025 crypto tax laws, staying compliant has become more complex than ever. But don't worry, there's a way to simplify this process. Today, we'll break down the latest regulations and show you how Zen Ledger can make your crypto tax reporting seamless and stress-free. Let's get it.
I'm not a financial advisor.
Welcome to Bitboy X, home of the Bit Squad, the highest IQ investors in all the interwebs. I'm your host, the Bitboy. If you're ready to tackle the 2025 crypto tax changes with confidence, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell. Let's explore the new tax laws and how Zen Ledger can be your ultimate tool for compliance this year. Starting January 1, 2025, the IRS has now implemented new regulations that require more detailed reporting of cryptocurrency transactions. Every time you buy, sell, or trade crypto, it could trigger a taxable event. Let's break it down. Buying crypto. So purchasing cryptocurrency with fiat currency, it isn't a taxable event. However, it's crucial to keep detailed records of these transactions, including the purchase price and the date, because this information is going to be essential when you eventually sell or trade your crypto holdings. Of course, you have selling your crypto. Now, when you sell a cryptocurrency for a profit, you're subject to capital gains tax. Woohoo! The rate depends on how long you've held the asset. If you've held the crypto for more than a year, it qualifies as a long-term capital gain, which is taxed at a lower rate. Conversely, selling assets held for less than a year results in short-term capital gains, taxed at your ordinary income tax rate. Then, of course, a lot of you guys, you're out there trading crypto. You're exchanging one cryptocurrency for another, and yes, that is a taxable event. For instance, swapping Bitcoin for Ethereum requires you to report any gains or losses from that transaction. The IRS views this as selling one asset to another, making it essential to track the fair market value of the cryptocurrencies at the time of the trade. Then, of course, you can use crypto for purchases, believe it or not. Spending cryptocurrency on goods or services, it's also a taxable event. You're required to report any capital gains or losses based on the difference between the purchase price of the crypto and its value at the time of the transaction. Now, even small purchases, they can add up, so meticulous record keeping, it's vital. Additionally, the IRS has expanded the definition of broker to include crypto exchanges and wallet providers. This means these platforms are now required to issue Form 1099s to both the IRS and users detailing your crypto activities. While this aims to increase transparency, it also means the IRS will have a clear view of your transactions, making accurate reporting more critical than ever. Sounds so fun. With the evolving tax landscape, staying compliant can be daunting. The complexity of tracking multiple transactions across various platforms and chains, calculating gains and losses, and understanding the tax implications of each action, well, it can be extremely overwhelming. Moreover, the IRS is increasing its scrutiny of crypto transactions, and inaccuracies or omissions in reporting, well, they can lead to penalties or audits. Believe it or not, if you did crypto business, you actually had to record that crypto business. It's crazy. This is where Zen Ledger comes in. Designed specifically for crypto investors, Zen Ledger, a product I've used before, by the way, streamlines the tax reporting process by consolidating all your transactions into one easy-to-use platform. Because of APIs, it's a beautiful thing. By integrating with numerous exchanges and wallets, it automatically imports transaction data, categorizes each transaction, and calculates your gains and your losses. Zen Ledger generates IRS-compliant tax forms, such as our favorites here on the channel, as everyone knows, Form 8949 and Schedule D. And of course, this makes it straightforward to file your taxes accurately. Its user-friendly interface and comprehensive support ensure that even those new to crypto investing can navigate the tax reporting process with ease. And we do want to say a big thank you to Zen Ledger for being a sponsor of the channel. Now, don't let the new 2025 crypto tax laws overwhelm you. Make sure to click the link in the description, sign up for Zen Ledger, and enjoy 10% off with the code BitBoy10 at checkout. Stay compliant, save time, and focus on what you do best, growing your crypto investments. Now, have you started preparing for the new tax laws? I need to know this in the comments. I want to know where you guys are at. Share your comments down below. And don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to stay up to date on crypto, tax regulations, and the latest in the Bit Squad. That's all I've got. Be blessed. Bitboy out.